Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ActiveCampaign AI Automation by ActiveCampaign, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, log in to your ActiveCampaign account. On the dashboard, locate the Automations tab in the left sidebar. Click on Automations to open the Automation Management interface. Next, click on the Create an Automation button. You will see a list of automation recipes. Choose a template that suits your marketing needs or select Start from Scratch for a custom automation. If you opt for a template, click Use this recipe. After that, review the preset triggers and actions. Click Continue to customize your automation. If starting from scratch, select a trigger from the list provided. Once you select a trigger, click Add. Customize the trigger settings according to your requirements. Then, click Add Start to confirm your trigger. You will now see the automation canvas. To add actions, click the plus sign on the canvas. Select an action from the drop-down menu. Popular actions include sending an email or adding a tag. Configure the settings for the action you have selected. Repeat the process to add additional actions as needed. To create a condition, click the plus sign and choose if/else. Define the criteria for the condition. Continue building your automation by adding more actions or conditions. Once you've completed setting up the automation, click Save. Review your automation to ensure everything is configured correctly. Finally, click Active to enable your automation. Your ActiveCampaign AI automation is now set up and ready to go. Monitor the performance under the Reports tab to optimize for future campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.